These are the elevators at the Courtyard by Marriott in Homestead, Florida. I'm staying here in room 220. That's why I'm starting from the second floor. We're gonna go down first. We got the elevator on the right. Here's your map. We're gonna go to L. As far as I've heard, this hotel was built in 2012. And then we're gonna go to 5. The grill actually says 1, but yeah, the indicator and buttons say L. Because I know, Courtyard by Marriott hotels actually have custom rails. Here we are at 5. Here's the inspection certificate. Yeah, here's the 5th floor. Whoa, look at that. You can see up the shaft and you can kind of see down that one. That's cool. Yeah, now we're gonna go to L. We're gonna send this elevator up. Yep, here's elevator number 1. And here's our call station. Let's go 5. Here's your inspection certificate. Here we are at 5. We're gonna go down to L. And I just noticed, look at there's like different colored lights. This button is white, well that one's blue. And the call station on 1 is blue, but every other call station is white. So here's your cab view. Here we are in L. We're gonna end it back up on 2. Hi.
Go in?
Yeah.
Can you come,
Okay, thank you.